Hi guys, my name is Justin and I'm doing art at Metal. So today I want to show you some animals here. So let us start with this one. So I think you see it very well. So yeah, this is how we are doing art. Okay guys? Yeah, see. You see? Yeah. So this one is crocodile. Okay guys? I think you see it very well. Yeah. Okay. Just look this one. So this is scorpion. Yeah, I think you see it. Yeah, there are two. Yeah, two scorpions. I think you see them. Yes. Yeah. So, guys, I think we have here grasshopper. Yeah, you see it. This is grasshopper. Yeah. Then we have guys. This is giraffe. Yeah, and lion down there. Yeah. So, guys, this is how we are doing art. So this is showroom. So guys, please, after watching this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you like these animals, yeah, I think my number is down there, so you can take my number and just call me. You can text me through WhatsApp, so we can talk more. Okay guys, so we have so many animals here. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to my channel, and I love you guys.